Hello. Okay. I don't know what to say in this intro. Oh my god, I'm exhausted. Hi guys. Good day. Welcome back to the channel. So, voting has closed for the Big Brother Naija All-Star Season 8 2023 edition week 5. So, of course, if you were not amongst the people who voted for their favorite, your fave might just get to leave this Sunday. And when I say this Sunday was set to be a Sunday we go carry weight. So, if it's going to carry weight, we're expecting at least 2 to 3 evictions, maybe a disqualification or a voluntary leaving and an eviction. However way it goes, I don't really care. I just want to see something that will be chaotic, dramatic, and intentional. So of course, I'm going to relate to you the fact that Angel and Crush finally settled their beef, and the details around the beef is really crazy. So I'm going to give you that full lowdown. If you're new to my channel, please watch this video till the end. If you're an old returning subscriber or an old viewer, make sure to watch the video till the end. Click on the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, share comments down below, and also share this video because so the more people can get to see. And this means a lot to me, so thank you in advance. Now let's get right into it. So I kind of recalled that earlier today I saw when the housemates woke up and saw where, Adekunle had to have his time with his own 120 million naira prize money. And yes, Adekunle doesn't have any game anymore in this Big Brother season. His game is Venita, and I hope something beautiful arises from there because, excuse me, it's not giving. Anyways, moving on from that, I don't know. Maybe Tolani Badge had decided to back out or back down and change her ways. But you see the love that Neo and Ilebaye were showing each other when they started their Oraimo task today. Hey, there were other girls in that dressing room. Ilebaye, you could have met any of them to comb your hair. But then, it is you and him. See, I cannot love this girl less. Anyways, moving right into the main gist on this particular video. So, Cross and Angel have finally settled their beef, and it is indeed nice to see that it was a crazy thing that made them have issues, that they would even come to the Big Brother Naija show and not even want to talk to each other at all. So now I'm just going to, instead of reading and sounding like I'm talking for two people like and Cross said or an Angel said, I'll just tell you what one person said from their whole perspective, and then I'll go to the other person. So y'all know that towards the end of their season, Cross and Angel were really good, right? Towards the last part of their season, they were good. In fact, she moved on from Sammy to Cross. I respected that after they left the show. Something beautiful like a relationship was going to kick off for them, but it actually didn't. Instead, we saw a little bit of shipping small, and then there was an issue with like trouble in paradise per se. It turns out it had to do with another lady from the same season and then further issues. Now, according to Angel, she said that towards the time they finished their season, after their reunion or before their reunion, it was quite a hectic period. It was stressful. It was worse than the post Big Brother trauma and experience is crazy, but people would understand that they were friends, and she would go and visit Cross her sometimes, he would come and visit her, but in all that they had, she felt like she was putting the most in their friendship and relationship, right? That no, they were not dating, but they were good friends. She felt that after leaving the show, she had just one friend. That one friend she could always go to, talk to, tell everything, and he would always be there for her. But no, he wasn't coming through in the level of percentage that she sought him to be or come through for her. She went on to say that it became worse when Cross and CeeC started, almost becoming a thing, that, that they were in the same WhatsApp group, and somebody from the Cross K team sent Angel a voice note indicating that Cross and CeeC were allegedly going to get married. Literally, when I heard it, I was like, what? Now, just so you know, they were having this conversation in the in the garden, that swingy chair that they usually sit around in the garden. That was where they were having this conversation. Angel now said that, she told the person that she didn't want to be a part of it. That she went on to take that voice message and sent in the group that they all were in. It seems like their season had a group chat, they had a WhatsApp, and she was saying that she really was not going to be invested in this thing. They should count her out. And then, that chat now leaked by maybe Cross's own manager. Maybe his manager was his advisor or something, special advisor or whatever you call it, right? Or assistant. And, in fact, at the moment, when Angel called the guy's name or mentioned him, she called him a stupid person. That the way he put the narrative out, I felt like herself, Angel and CeeC were fighting over the same man, and that was what pained her, that she really expected that Cross was going to, be there for her and stuff. Now, onto Cross. Cross responded saying that, Angel was looking at it from only her perspective, that yes, he was there for her. When she fell ill, the first time he was there. When she fell ill the second time he was there. Her house was too far. From his place to Chevron was far. Although she also indicated that from her place to Cross's place was far, and she was there for him when he fell ill. He went on to add that, he would get her stuff, and she said she would even get him pepper soup when he was not feeling fine. He said that Angel just didn't understand him, especially when all the issues came with CeeC matter. Now, according to Cross, it turned out CeeC's people, maybe from her team or from her family, allegedly tried to bribe Cross to get on a ship with her, or they should do a marriage thingy. But then he rejected it because he didn't want to be roped in that kind of narrative, knowing that when he blows out of proportion, it will cause trouble. Now, this was something he confirmed with Angel, that he told her, and she said yes. He said that was a lot of money that he needed at that point in his life, but he couldn't stoop that low or have that issue be something that would later cause him bad blood with people later, both with CeeC or with Angel. But that Angel needed to understand these two perspectives. Now, whilst they were trying to iron their issues, one other part of that was a bone of contention for the both of them was the fact that for Angel, Cross was acting as though he doesn't want people to know that he was coming to Angel's place or being around Angel for whatever reason best known to him. Like, for example, when just after a few weeks of the show rounding off, she came to his place and then made videos of herself and Cross's mom, and it became like a narrative as though they both were dating. And then other few stuffs, right? Then noticing that, Angel decided to, start reducing her communication, and because she felt left out, she felt like she was alone in the friendship. So according to her, she clocked out of that friendship. That was why she started acting the way she was acting towards Cross. Cross indicated that she started acting weird, avoiding him. Like they were to have an event one time, and then Cross was coming to come and see her to have a conversation, and then she just switched and started talking to somebody else, and it made him feel bad. Now, of course, she apologized for making mention of all this during their reunion, and he had started calling her that she was a wicked girl, she was heartless, that she should shut up. At this time, they were laughing about it. But in the long run of all this plenty talk is that Cross and Angel have settled their beef, and I really like it. I really like when two grown-ups, when two people, be it grown-ups or not, can maturely air their grievances and find a middle ground to settle their issues. It's really beautiful. The most beautiful part of that conversation was the fact that Cross got to apologize to her too for anything he might have done or said wrong. But then he indicated the fact that in everything he does, he had always put Angel as one of the top on his list. Like, for example, she got a bank advert gig, a little bit of an ambassadorial something. He said he was the one who got it for her, that if they're done with the show this particular season, she should go and ask and find out. And these two people had to settle on a very good note, which I really, really respect. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. So I'll see you on the next one.